Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Bechamel sauce is a classic French sauce made from a roux, a mixture of butter and flour and milk. Here's a simple recipe for making bechamel sauce. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, salt to season, white pepper to season. Time to cook. 1. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter. 2. Add the flour and whisk until the mixture becomes smooth and bubbly. This is your roux. 3. Gradually add the milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. 4. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. 5. Season with salt and white pepper, if using. Additionally, you can also add other flavorings to your bechamel sauce, such as grated cheese, nutmeg, or mustard, to give it a different twist. Too easy. Enjoy your bechamel sauce. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.